Yashwant's Kitchen. I am your Yashwant. Today we are going to make refreshing and delicious cold coffee. I am sure you and your family will love it. To make cold coffee we have milk, coffee decoction, sugar, vanilla ice cream and ice cubes. The preparation of cold coffee is pretty simple and very fast. Let's see how to make it. First, let's blend all the ingredients with the help of blender. Now the cold coffee is ready. Let's garnish the glass with chocolate syrup. Now the cold coffee is ready. I am going to taste it. Wow, it's really delicious. I am sure you will love it. I hope you enjoyed my cold coffee. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. We'll meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yashwant.